So this video is for people that are like applying to study at Glasgow and may not know what the city's like, or it could be for people that also live here and want to find out more about the city. But basically I've been asked, what is Glasgow like as a city? Now Glasgow's like different in many ways, so the easiest way to sort of explain to you what Glasgow's like is probably to show you. So I'm going to take the camera out to the city and just sort of give like a highlight reel of what Glasgow's like as a city. And it's like the first time it's been like sunny the whole year, so it seems like it could be a lot of fun.
We are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams.
Well, I don't know if that could have been a better example if I tried. There was so much that I could see. What we had buskers for days, we had people at the park, we had people walking dogs, we had some guy playing metal drums, we had the cone on the head, and it's just a really nice city. And I hope if you haven't been to Glasgow before, then you now kind of get a gist of what it looks like. If you haven't, then get to see some nice parts of Glasgow, especially when spring's now like coming out and it's a bit nicer.